This is a bag that we have in which we are having 5 red, 4 blue and 4 green balls, and we have to draw one by one, and then we have to see how many different arrangements that we can find. So if I will count all the number of balls, that is equal to 5, 4 and 4, that is equal to 13. So there are 13 number of balls. If I want to find the number of arrangement, or we will write number of ways, that can be written as 13 factorial. But 5 red, 4 blue and 4 green balls are identical to each other. So we will divide it with 5 factorial, multiply with 4 factorial and then multiply it with 4 factorial. And that's the answer that you will get whenever you are getting such kind of questions. So this is the important thing that you have to understand. If there are P terms, Q terms and R terms, all are identical to each other, firstly you have to write P plus Q plus R, and here you will write factorial, and then you have to divide it with individual, that is given as P factorial, Q factorial and R factorial.